What's going on, Toyota fans? Lorenzo here, aka the Zoe Deals. So, have you ever wondered how a vehicle goes from the factory all the way to the dealership and in the customer's hands? Let's talk about it. So, the first thing that happens in the factory is the stamping. And what the stamping is big steel sheets get pressed into car parts like doors, hoods, and fenders. This is where the shape of the car really starts to take place. The second part is the welding. In the welding part, all those steel parts are put together, welded to make the car's main body, and this is where they make sure that the car is strong and safe. The next step is the painting, and what happens in this process is the car's body gets painted with several layers, first to protect it from rust, then the color, and finally a shiny clear coat to make it look good. The next step is the exciting part, is the assembly. And what happens in this process is it's finally time to bring the vehicle to life. So this is where the technicians install the engine, transmission, suspension, interior components, and more. Doors are often removed during this stage to allow easier access and are reattached later. Then you have your inspection and testing. This part's very important in the process. And what happens here is every vehicle undergoes rigorous quality checks, including alignment tests, brake inspections, water leaks, ensuring that it meets Toyota's high standards. The next part of the process is the transportation to the ports. And what happens here is once the vehicles are approved, vehicles are transported to regional distribution centers or ports. Here is where they may receive additional accessories or customizations before heading to the dealership. And the final step is what's called the pre-delivery inspection, the PDI. This is where it arrives at the dealership and each vehicle goes through a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection process. This includes checking fluid levels, tire pressure lights, and overall appearance to ensure everything is working perfectly for the customer. And then the vehicle is put on the lot, and that's when you come see me and you purchase the vehicle. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And if this gave you a better understanding on how vehicles are produced from start to finish, make sure to hit that like button. And if you'd like to stay up to date with all things Toyota, make sure to visit my website at thezodeals.com. I have my own personalized newsletter that I send to my customers every week. I'm always sharing new information about new vehicle releases. I'm doing video walkarounds and just overall general news about Toyota and Lexus at times. So make sure to go check out my website and subscribe.